Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Squid Game cookies. First, gather your ingredients: granulated sugar, baking soda, and a small amount of neutral oil. You will also need parchment paper, a small nonstick pan, and a metal cookie cutter of your choice. Having everything ready before you start is essential for success. Precise measurements are absolutely crucial for achieving the perfect texture and avoiding a sticky mess. Get ready for a fun challenge. Place exactly 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar into your small nonstick pan. Turn the heat to low, ensuring it stays consistent throughout the step. Stir the sugar continuously with a wooden or heat-proof spoon. Watch closely as it slowly melts, transforming into a clear, amber liquid. This process takes a few minutes, so be patient and avoid increasing the heat, which could burn your sugar and make it taste bitter. A gentle melt ensures a smooth caramel. Once the sugar is fully melted and amber, quickly remove the pan from the heat source. Immediately add 1 tiny pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, of baking soda to the molten sugar. Stir vigorously and very quickly for approximately 10 seconds. The mixture will rapidly bubble up and turn into a light, airy, and creamy foam. Pour this foamy mixture straight onto a piece of parchment paper, then immediately press it flat with a lightly oiled metal surface, before stamping your desired shape into it. Let the candy cool completely and undisturbed for at least 5 minutes at room temperature. Do not attempt to lift the cookie cutter before it has fully set and hardened. Once cooled, the cookie should be firm and snap cleanly, indicating it has properly caramelized and dried. Now comes the exciting part. Carefully try to carve out the stamped shape without breaking the delicate candy. Good luck with your Squid Game cookie challenge. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.